Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be installing a center console wireless charger by Beegrow. If you're anything like me, you found that the factory wireless charger is pretty useless. You'll put your phone in there and it will charge for a little bit, won't charge, it'll move, you'll go around a corner, it stops charging, just really lacking. So this center console insert is a tray that drops into the center console, plugs into the 12-volt outlet, and it wirelessly charges your phone. It works fantastically. So let's go check it out. A big thank you to Beegrow for providing the product for this video. This product is a storage tray for your center console that has a wireless charger built into it. It comes with a USB cable and a 12-volt adapter. It also has 3 removable rubber mats that are washable and line the tray. Installation is very simple. Open the console and remove the original tray. Open the flap for the 12-volt socket and insert the adapter. With one end of the USB cable connected to the 12-volt adapter, plug the other end into the bottom of the tray. With the accessory position on, you'll get a blue and green light when it's plugged in. And then just drop the tray in place and add the rubber mats. Now you can just place your phone in the wireless charging area. It doesn't matter which orientation you lay the phone, it just needs to be laid face up. This wireless charger offers 15-watt fast charge capabilities. You can see here I've got a case on the phone and there's the rubber mat in there as well, so the depth of these two things don't have an impact on the wireless charging capabilities. I've added a link to this product in the description below. You get a blue LED light when the 12-volt adapter is plugged in. It offers a sleek low-profile design and has a couple of storage spaces as well. This is a great addition to the Bronco, gives a passenger the opportunity to wireless charge their phone as well, or if you find the front wireless charger really pretty useless, this is a great alternative. And for your safety, there's a warning label that just suggests not having any metal objects between the charger and your phone. So as you can see, this is another really simple, yet just common sense addition to the Bronco. It adds a wireless charging area in the center console, and it means now you and your passenger can charge their phones at the same time, or if your front charger from the factory is not working particularly well, this is a perfect solution. Even with its rubber mat in there, I had the phone with a case on, I was putting it upside down, the right way up, and it just charged every single time. Really happy with this product. Simple plug and play, drop it in, and you're good to go. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, maybe subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.